Okay, we're going to add a new Google form. Note that I am logged into Google. You do need a Google account to use Google Forms or to create Google Forms. Okay, step number 1, click on the plus button here. Step number 2, add a title. I'm going to call this EdTech Tools. And then we write our questions. My first question is going to be, do you have internet access at school? And the first option is yes, and the second option is no. Okay, I'm going to add one more question. Notice, by the way, there's many different types of questions. You can do short answer or paragraph, multiple choice, or check boxes. Quite a few choices. Let's pick. Okay, so this is multiple choice. Now I'm going to add a new question. You just click the plus button here. Let's change this from multiple choice to drop down. This question is, how many of your students have access to internet at home? Option number 1 is none. Option number 2 is about half. And option number 3, let's just put most of them. Okay, so those are all the questions I'm going to do. Now I'm going to choose who I want to send this to, who I want to invite. Now, myself, right now, I'm going to add simply an email for myself, for my other account, zandara@gmail.com, and the subject is, I'm just going to call this questions. But notice you can also, here's the link that the Google form is, so you can send this link out to others, or you could also embed this. This is the code to embed the URL within another website. But I'm going to send it via email. So I click send. I notice, there we go. Okay, so then I'm going to go to my Zandara email account, and voila, here are the questions. So if I click here at Tech Tools, that's the name of the form, I click Fill Out Form, and here are the questions. Do you have internet access at school? Yes. How many of your students have access to internet at home? Let's choose. I'm going to think optimistically and say most, and that's it. Then I click Submit, and then if I go back to my, oh, by the way, here is my form in my drive. This is on my Google Drive, and here's EdTech Tools. Now notice that it already has one response. It automatically records what the responses are to your questions. That's pretty amazing. All for now. Thanks.